Day 4, PEMDAS, ano? Tara. Dito pre, nakikita nyo GEMDAS, PEMDAS at saka BODMAS, di ba? Nakikita nyo? Okay, i-explain natin yan. Sabi kasi dito, pag PEMDAS ang gagamitin, mauna yung parenthesis. Okay, number 1. Pangalawa, exponents, number 2. Okay, dito na nalilito yung iba. Yung multiplication at saka division, they are equal. Parehas lang sila. Walang mas mataas. Ang mauna is kung ano yung nasa left, papunta sa right. Okay? Pangatlo yan, ay. Sulat mo na pangatlo. Ayan, good job. Next, addition at subtraction, pre. They are also equal. Okay, parehas lang sila. From left, papuntang right din yan. Kulang pa ng tingong left. Okay, ngayon, makikita nyo. Yung GEMDAS, PEMDAS at saka BODMAS, pare-pareha sila. Sulat mo all the same. Nice one, tinagod mo sarili mo. Pare-parehas lang sila, magkaiba lang yung spelling. Okay, pero parehas yung thoughts. Okay, sana nakinig kayo ha? Kasi, ito yung worksheet natin yun. Tatlong items ulit yan. So number 1, 6 is squared divided by 3 times 15 minus 12 is squared. Okay, tignan nyo, sinulat ko sa taas, exponents, tapos parenthesis. Ngayon, isi-simplify na natin yung pwedeng simplify. 6 is squared is 36, 3 multiplied by 15 minus 12 is 3. Sulat mo 3. Tagal ah, 3 is squared. Okay? Ngayon, 36 divided by 3, may ulit. Multiplied by 3 squared is 9. Good job. 36 divided by 3. Ha? Ang tagal naman na ito magsulat. 36 divided by 3 multiplied by 9. Nakita niyo daw? Nauna yung division kaya mag-divide tayo. Tapos nauli yung multiplication kaya hinuli natin yung multiplication. Sabi nga natin, from left to right. Okay, binilugan pa talaga. Tignan nyo ha. Nauna si division kaya nag-divide tayo. Sumunod si multiplication kaya nag-multiply tayo susunod. Sulat mo, left to right. Okay, yan yung rule. Good job, pre. Nagigets nyo na yung PEMDAS. Ito number 2. May bracket. So, ibig sabihin nun, unahin pa rin natin nasa loob ng parenthesis. 2 squared is ilan? 4 times 1. Magiging 5 plus bracket 20 divided by 4 times 1 is 4 plus naglalag yung utak plus 8. Okay? Ngayon magiging doon 5 plus 20 divided by 4. Talagang in-underline pa. 5 plus 8. So 5 plus 13. Follow nyo si arts.dev. Thank you. Follow nyo ako guys. Thank you. 18 ang galing pre. Well played. Number 10 na. Tol. Yan tol. Lo. Nangihilo ka ba? Kalaban ko na naman sarili ko guys. Eto na ha. Tignan nyo guys. Yung number 3. Sa loob ng parenthesis, may exponents. Kaya exponent yung unahin natin. Magiging 10 minus 4 squared is 16. Divided by 4 plus 5 is 9. Multiplied by 2. Tama na yan. Huwag mo nang iburahin. Hala, binura. Hala to. 9 times 2. Okay. Ngayon, dito ang gagawin natin ganito. Yung 10 minus 16 is negative 6. Divided by 9. Multiplied by 2. Ngayon, nauna yung division kaya mag-divide tayo. Magiging negative 6 all over 9. Multiplied by 2. May lamok. So, negative 12 all over 9. Pag nilowest term natin, ilagay mo pa ng equals. Lowest term, negative 4 all over 3. Okay? Good job mga pre. Follow arts.dev. Day 5 tayo bukas. Integers tayo. Okay? See you tomorrow and have a good day, have a good night. Everywhere, everyone. In the heaven and the good sky. Kahit mainit. Thank you Lord. Manood kayo bukas. Day 5 tayo. Bye-bye guys. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow. Huwag kayo mag-absent. Yun lang. Arts.dev. Follow nyo. Thank you.